Hello, everybody. This is Dottie Berry coming to you from Blaine, Washington. I apologize, just a few minutes late here. A few technical difficulties. In fact, I have to put this into three different settings in the PowerLead system. So you're going to actually see me screen share. I got it into two of them, but I just had to say I'm coming on. We're going to be going over tonight, though. What do you do in your first 7 days when you're in PowerLead system? So first of all, you're going to get to see me screen share, though, and actually go over here and put this in. Just 1 second. I'm going to screen share it, and let me go right over here. I'm going to go. You're going to see I'm in the back office in the web pages, and I am going to have to. This is how I do it. I search for what I call gold nuggets. Let me make sure that I got that in there. Oops, I got to spell it right. That's what it is. And it's going to do a little search for me. At least, see, I don't want to have everything going wrong here. You're beginning to see it show up. Let me see if it's going to show up anywhere else in my page, because that's how I have. Whoa, something just happened there. It went away. Let me close that one and try another one here. I'm going to close that YouTube. Just a kind of a, looks like it's some connection issues going on. I hope I haven't lost you all on the Hangout. So let's try this again. Let's see why it's not showing up here. Ah, there we go. So you see everywhere, oops, now it went away again. Okay, you see everywhere that it says gold nuggets. Well, that helps me find where I have to go down in here. And looks like my bottom two, because if it doesn't highlight it, it would be impossible for me to come in here and actually put these in. So that's our comparison chart. That's a share code right there. And what it does is it highlights it. This is what's crazy. Let me see if I can find it. Unless it highlights it, I can't put it in there. Okay, new training, Tuesday night trainings. I believe that's it right there. You see where it says gold nuggets? It should be highlighted, though. So there's something going on here with a connection, I think. So let me just open this up. And then as it opens up, I'm going to replace the code from last week. All right. So what I'm doing right here is I have to do this in 3 different ones every week. And there's a reason for that. It's because 2 of them are on, well, they're all on share codes, but one of them is for the general community. And one of them, you know, they have a little bit different information. Now you see that's not, oh, there we go. So this is one of the 3. Now what I've got to do, though, is I've got to go into my source code, and then I'm going to search for YouTube. Ah, there it is. You see that right there? I'm going to take that and I'm going to replace that code, because that's for last week. And now I've got the code in there. Okay. I'm going to go back up here and click on source, because now this is really kind of, like I said, slow with the connection for some reason. Don't know what's going on. But you'll see right there. So what I do then is I come in and I change that. That's February 9th. And then I change the actual title of what it's about. This was, we've been talking about how to run Hangouts, which is a great topic. But tonight it's what to do in the first 7 days with PowerLead system. Okay, so I'm going to save that. And this is the whole, imagine this, I go through this, it takes, you know, anywhere from, wow, at least 30 minutes to get all this set up each week, just for this part, because then I want to go over there and view it, because I want to test it and make sure that it's showing up. So if this one shows up here, then it's going to be the hangout of me doing the hangout. So let's just make sure that that's live there, because somebody might have gotten that one. Let's just watch it come up. You know, the hangouts, they delay just a little bit when they're doing, so that's rotating around. I just want to make sure it's coming through. And then when it is, I will shut it off because I don't need to have it looping through twice. You can see that the title is in there, What to Do in Your First 7 Days of Power Lead System. Okay, there it is. It's showing me right there. So I'm going to stop that, and I am going to come back over here. I'm going to minimize Chrome. I've got to come back over here, and I'm going to stop that for a moment. Okay. Wow, that was some fun, huh? Yeah, you know, it was getting back and getting everything set up, and then some things not clicking in as quick. So anyway, welcome everybody. You got to see some hands-on though with what goes into setting these up each week. So literally we have these running in 3. It's kind of like, I mean, they could run on 10, they could run on 1,000, you know what I'm saying? It's like having a TV channel and you having the TV and me coming in on your channel. So for the Power Lead System, I do these trainings. That's for the whole community. And then for my own group, I have it because I offer just a few different things, you know. And then we have another one where people use my share code. And so this is what you can do when you have upgraded. Now, if you're in Lead Lightning tonight, some of these things are going to apply to you and some of them aren't, okay? But you're going to have a chance to really see, wow, what could I be doing right now if I had some other components of the Power Lead System? So anyway, to get back to what I wanted to train on tonight, I think lots of times people get stuck and they don't know exactly what to do when they first come in. So there's several things I'm going to show you, and I would get out a pen and paper right now and start making some notes. I'm going to show you, I'm going to talk about it, and I'm going to take you in the back office. But one of the first things is you've got to click on your Getting Started button, okay? And I'm going to take you in the back office and show you where that is if you don't understand. Next thing is you're going to go in our training area, and there's actually like 7 days of videos that you can go through to really learn about all the components of the Power Lead System. Now, the great thing about it is even if you have Lead Lightning and you haven't upgraded, you still get all the training free. Now, it might cover something that you don't have yet, but I hope that that will entice you to go out and upgrade and get the Power Lead System, you know, and the other levels that you can get. Another thing I'm going to suggest that you do in those first 7 days is I'm going to, once you get your Lead Lightning link, or if you create another one, if you have the upgrade, go out your first 7 days at least 10 times, hopefully 20. Share your link. I don't care if it's email it to somebody, share it on social media, whatever you do, share that link. So if you do it 10 times over the first 7 days, that's 70 times. If you do it 20 times a day, that's 140. That's getting your link out there, okay? And it doesn't take a lot to do that. You can share it 10 times in 5 minutes, 20 times in 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. So you need to be doing these things in your first 7 days, going through the videos, learning the system, learning what to do. So let me just take you in the back office and go ahead and show you this here. And welcome whoever's on here tonight. Let me just say that whether you're a visitor or whether you're already in Power Lead System, we're really excited to have you here and hope that you get some value out of what you're going to see. So let me go on over here. And we'll go back here again. It's going into infinity for a second, as you know. Bring it up here. Okay. So let's go getting started, okay? When you first log in, you just go over here. Again, it's going a little bit slow, but I have high speed, so I'm not sure what's going on with that. But But this is what you see when you come in. And if you haven't gotten all of the systems, your button right here is going to be red. Or if you haven't done something, add your domain. That's for a custom domain. Become an affiliate, gold. So when you upgrade, you can get the system for $30 a month and $23.97 to be an affiliate. And then you can make an income as well as using this for your marketing system. Add your picture, get the free Ad Secrets course, get Social Profit Academy. I've got all of that. Now, there's another thing it says here, your sponsor. The first thing I want you to do before you even click on the easy button, okay, or companies you promote or how to get help or anything, look for who brought you in. And I hope you came in with somebody that you know and that you know is going to help you, because it's unfortunate and sad when I hear that somebody is not getting any help, okay? But that's what you should do first thing. And as much as I say that, you know, I'm always calling the people, but the people who come in that might see my link out somewhere, sometimes they're not doing that. But I have a lot of people that, of course, I know I'm bringing in, or they contact me about coming in with me. But be sure and call them and say, hey, I'm new. I'm getting started. I'm going to do what Coach B said. I'm going to click on the easy button and I'm going through the links, but just want to introduce myself. You know, be a professional. Call the person up and introduce yourself if you don't know them. So anyway, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to click that easy button right there. And once you get there, and we've gone on this many times, you can go back and click on the recorded, you know, hangouts down there and see everyone I've ever done. But, you know, we go back through these. Sometimes I do more advanced things like I've done last couple of weeks. This time I'm doing a little bit more simple, although if you, if it's not your first 7 days, if you haven't done some of these things, you just need to start over and do them. So getting started in 3 simple steps. Watch the video. You know, I don't know how many times somebody calls me, wants help, and I ask them, I say, you know, I don't mind helping anybody, but have you watched the videos? No, I haven't watched the videos yet. I said, well, once you watch them, call me back. I mean, why should I do more work than you do? I'll match you every step of the way, but I'm not going to sit there and watch videos with you. So first of all, join the Facebook group. We have a very active and a great Facebook group that will help you a lot. Choose which link to advertise. Okay, that means A or B or both. Well, referral link A, this is already done for you. All you have to do, if you wanted to go right this minute and go over to Facebook and place that link somewhere, you could do that, okay? I mean, I could take it right now, go over to Facebook. Let me just get in here. Go right in here to Facebook. Now, I don't normally use this link because I have custom ones, but I could say right here, I could go into groups and I could go choose one that I want to post this in. Okay, if you don't belong to groups, then, you know, get into some groups. In some different networking groups. Some you can post in, some you can't, you know, so be real careful about what you're doing and know the rules. Advertise your biz free here. Okay, so I'm just going to go over there. And let me see if they've got any particular market your company for free. Okay, that's what they're saying. Marketing it for free. Okay. I'm going to say I am doing a training, which I do every Tuesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm just going to put one of my links that goes there. I am showing them. Oops, it says invalid. What did I do here? Coach B. Did I spell it wrong? Let me put Coach B. Let me just see here. Let me get it in here right. Let me take that off. Should come up. I'm gonna okay. Show them how they. Why is this going invalid? What am I hitting? I must be having a comma or something in here wrong. This is so crazy. Let me just do it again. I'm going to go up here. Let me make sure, see what's going on. I know. Let's just make sure I got my link here. These were a couple of them that I was setting up a while ago. So come on up. Yeah, there's one of them. See? Says what we're training on tonight. All right, let me take it over there. That's kind of funny, isn't it? Why would it not be doing that? Oh, now I have to go back and get the other link. Somebody's trying to write me. Okay, yeah, there it is. Now, that's the same thing I put in a minute ago. So now I've got to come back over here and get that other link that I just showed you. All right. Go back over here. How they can put in their link for their marketing system and share on social media. Give some feedback so they will know people respond. Okay. All right. The link for marketing system is and it's only $7 one-time fee for, and I'm just going to tell them, for an amazing system with contact management system plus more. Oh, so plus done for you system. Okay, how about that? All right. So I'm just going to post that. So I'm just showing you how I would actually go out there and, you know, post on social media. Okay. So anyway, it's, please select all that note that the unsafe link might be on the page you're linking to. If you think I'm not sure what that's about, but it's not an unsafe link. Let me try. Anyway, that should, oh, I don't know if one of the others is creating some problem, but anyway, this is how you do is go and put it in there. I don't think there's any unsafe links, so I'm having a little bit of trouble with my Facebook right now. So that's how you go in there. Just put something in there like I did. I tell them that I'm doing a training, and then you come back over here. I'm going to come back over here to Safari where I am. I'm on Google Chrome. Maybe something going wrong there. Okay, so referral link A, what is that? That's to promote Lead Lightning, okay? Referral link B is to promote Lead Lightning and your primary business, all right? So how do you get it to promote your primary business? Well, put your primary business link right in here. If you don't have it in there, then it won't be promoting it, because what happens is you get autoresponders, okay, that go along with these links. And you don't even have to do it. Like I said, it's a done for you system. So if you go ahead and you put those in there, then you're going to have this one, and then you're going to have this one. And they're two different ones. One only promotes Lead Lightning. One promotes Lead Lightning in your primary business. So there are more autoresponders connected with this one, okay, than there are with this one. But both of them have a good good autoresponder system. So once you put your business in there, you would update that, okay? And then the way you test it is once you put your link in there, it'll say, test your link here, okay? Now I'm gonna go over and I'm gonna change that to 247 Business Partner. I'm just gonna put that in there. I'm gonna update. I want you to see how this works. So once that updates, you should see a new link in there. So it tells me that it's saved. Let's see if it did. There it is, 247 Business Partner. So that's how you use this. This is what you want to do very first thing once you call the person who is your upline to let them know you are live and you want their help and do they have any tips for you and so forth. Try to set up like a private Google Hangout or something, or Skype, because you want to see them face to face, get to know them. So then you're going to take a tour of your system. How do I market my link? Right there, it's going to give you some really good. So let's just take a look at this, okay? Oh, let me just go here and test my link now. Since I'm having so much trouble with links in the internet connection tonight, let me just test it. Slow as molasses. I'm going to shut down some of this. Yeah. Okay. So there, that is up. That is working. So I know I'm good to go. So now I'm going to take a tour. It says take a tour of the system. So here's about a 7-minute video.
This video is going to give you a tour of your marketing system and the training.
So that's Neil, yes, the owner of Power Lead System, along with Michael Price. And then how do I market my link? Another 7-minute video.
In this video, you're going to learn some different ways that you can market your link, some ways to advertise your link.
So see, right there, they're going over things that are going to be helpful to you. Now, you won't see everything back here with all the tabs if you only have Lead Lightning. If you have Power Lead System, you'll see all of those. So if you have Lead Lightning and you're watching this, just know you won't see all those tabs. But you will see a training one. And let me see. Usually don't come in on training on this side. Let me see about remembering. It happens automatically in my Google Chrome, but I'm actually in Safari here. So let me just see if this is it. All right, that was it. Okay, so look what all you've got here. You've got the home page, all right? It's going to tell you, first time here, watch this video. They don't just have that for nothing. Watch it, okay? Make sure that you watch it. It says, if you're here as a Free Lead System member, welcome. Although not everything here will be applicable to you, you will find some great training as well as some great places to promote your link. Same thing with Lead Lightning. There may be the same thing. Some of it may not apply. Replays, okay, marketing, system video, YouTube. Look, you can learn all about YouTube. It's a training module right there. Right there, topics. You can go in here and get some good video training on that. Let's just have it come up. So you're going to notice that it has videos on banners, business card and Lead Lightning accessories, share codes, step 1 video inside the Free Lead System, vacation video background code, YouTube embed codes. So look, those are great topics. Then go over here to daily tip. This is what I really wanted you to see. Because just to reiterate, when you come in, your first 7 days, the first thing you're going to do is go to that getting started page. Before actually go to your sponsor, the person who brought you in, but it's all part of that getting started. So right here, this says daily videos for learning your system, Power Lead System, customer, and goal level, okay? That's why I said this is mainly for Power Lead System, but that if you were in Lead Lightning, you were going to see some things that might interest you, and you go, wow, I really should be updating. So you notice here that there's 7 days plus a start here and plus attaching the lead capture page to your domain. So that's what you do your first 7 days. You come in here, you immediately watch these 2 and another one on the first day. And then you'll be through all of these videos by your first week. That's why I'm saying, how do you really get started and power up and Power Lead System in your first 7 days? What do you do? So I've already told you, you call your sponsor, introduce yourself, you get your links, your done for you links, you set one up so that it runs to your business. You commit to sharing at least 10 times a day those links, those done for you. You don't even have to set up anything else. Your done for you links. If you are in Power Lead System, you're going to find about attaching a lead capture page to your domain. Now, what I recommend if you're only going to get one domain, put something like I did, like withcoachb.com, because then I can put in front of it with a subdomain. You may not know what that means yet, but when you see the http://www, a subdomain replaces the www, okay? So then you could put getleadlightning.withcoachb.com. Or if your name's Harry, it would be getleadlightning.withharry.com. See, so get a main domain, and then you can make an unlimited number of subdomains that replace that www off of just one domain. So again, if it's, with Barry Tuck, like he's got, or whatever you choose. So do that, and then do these 7 days. Subdomains and how to create them. It's just what I'm talking about. All about the free lead system. How to edit and create a lead capture page. How to copy or create an autoresponder campaign. How to swap any video on a page. Hey, that's what I was doing when we first came in, and I had to run late because it was just slow uploading, and I was trying to get them in there. So on the third one, I just said, well, I'll just take this as a training opportunity. I'll show them how to do it. How to upload pictures to any page or email. How to create a video sales page, including a 3-page funnel. You all, in 7 days, you can know what you're doing. But if you don't come in here and do these videos and watch it, see, this is a system for people who want to learn how to market. If you don't want to learn how to market, you're in the wrong place. If you don't want to learn how to market and create those customized pages, just use Lead Lightning and the link that's already done for you and go out there and drive traffic to it all day long. You're still going to do great, all right? Now, you're going to make $6 every time you sell that $7 system, but if you don't upgrade, all the more money is going to roll past you. So my suggestion is upgrade, okay? So you're going to go in there, you're going to go to the home, you're going to what? Let's just cover that again. I really want to make sure you get this. You're going to go over there, you're going to call the person who you either know or don't know. Oh, I'm in the training right now. I have to go back here. It's 2 different, you have to create a username in the beginning on that, by the way. And if you create the same one as you log in Power Lead System, that's fine. It'll make it easy to remember. I would recommend that you do that. Make it easy. See, easy. I'm the one who told Neil originally to do an easy button and just click the easy button. But anyway, you call the person, you click the easy button, you do what it says, you watch the video, you get the link set up. One for Lead Lightning that's already done, the other one you put in your business so that it'll promote your business. You come over here to the training, which was just where I was. You come in there to the daily tip. You go through those videos in the first 7 days. Y'all, this is amazing. You commit to putting in your link how many times a day? 10 times a day somewhere, whether it's social media or sending an email. You know, when you go back over here, you can use all kind of ways to promote your business, offline or online, display social media sites. You can do that. But here's an email swipe copy. If you want to send 10 emails out to people, do that. But get your links out there, because it does no good to have a funnel if you don't feed the funnel. You don't feed the funnel, you get nobody using your link and nobody coming into the system. It amazes me when I ask people what they're doing and they've watched no videos and they've not put their link out. They think people are going to come grab their link and send it out for them. Well, that's not going to happen. You've got to be proactive. So anyway, that's what I wanted to go over tonight as far as, I'm just going to take this off a second. So it's really quite basic on what you can do to get started in your first 7 days. Call the person, you either know them or you don't know, that's your sponsor. Go in there and get started. Get your links that are already done for you. Your second one, your link B, you have to put in the business that you represent or wherever you want it to go, so that that business or whatever link you want to promote will be promoted in the autoresponders. Then you go over to the training area and you go in there and you watch those videos first 7 days. There's 7 days plus 2. So watch the 2 and the first day on the first day. And then you'll be through in a week and you're going to commit to getting those links out there at least 10 times a day, hopefully 20. And you are going to be on your way. If you just took those few little things and did each week, you're going to be successful in Power Lead System and Lead Lightning. I know it. It works. I'm not kidding you. So anyway, this is just a really, basic training for those of you who are new. Okay, just getting started. I understand that. We all start somewhere. Don't feel bad about it. Everybody who's doing anything in this business started right where you're starting, okay? And we're happy to help you, and we hope that this was helpful to you tonight, just to kind of give you a blueprint as what do I do first? What do I do second? You know, you just go into the back office, and if you've never been in something like that before, it can feel very overwhelming, very confusing. I get that. So anyway, if that was helpful to you tonight, write down below, put, hey, that was great, simple, to the point, direct, whatever. I'm new, I'm not new, I'm not new, but I'm going to go back and do that. And then you also saw something a little bit advanced in the beginning, where you saw me changing over to the HTML. I used the YouTube code, and I replaced the video from last week, because otherwise you wouldn't have been able to see this live hangout tonight. And then I saved it. I checked it to make sure that it was showing up. And so again, that's what I do every week to get these all ready to go. So anyway, this is Dottie Berry, and I appreciate you being here tonight. And if you liked what you saw, please go back to the Facebook group as well and say, hey, good training for the beginners, or even if you're not, it's a good reminder. And it's a good refresher. That's what I would say. These are basic things, people, and I want you to get the basics down. So please give me a few comments down below. Ask me questions. As soon as I finish up here, I'll go over and see what I can answer for you, okay? So that's all for tonight, and I'll look forward to seeing you next Tuesday night at 9 p.m. Eastern and 6 p.m. Pacific. Okay, bye for now.